Yo, what is going on, guys? In this video tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to get free YUBucks in YUBO. Just by following the steps of this video tutorial, you're gonna get the modified version of the app. Firstly, if you see here, I have unlimited YUBucks. Now that gives you unlimited let me show you how it's done. The app, you're going to be downloading it in this website, which is in show of this video. So here it is, the modified version of YUBO that gives you unlimited free YUBucks. Let's go. You need to open your browser and then go to this website, then go to the download button and tap on the download button to start downloading the app. Once you download the app, I'm going to show you what you need to do next, but to start the download you need to tap on the download file button, and that is going to start with the download. I'm going to show you what you need to do next to get the unlimited free YUBucks every time you open YUBO. So here it is, the app is already installing. Close the app entirely, shut it down, and then just open it again, and then you're gonna get all the free YUBucks on your YUBO account. So here it is, let's just wait together and see if I'm gonna get them or not. Okay, so you can see here I'm getting all the YUBucks injected in my account. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and don't hesitate to go and try it yourself to get unlimited YUBucks on your YUBO account. Have a good day, enjoy the YUBucks, and enjoy the modified app.